Picture a table laden with southern comfort food, and what's that you see? Yes, the ubiquitous collard greens, the heart and soul of this culinary tradition. So how does one transform these humble leaves into a savory delight? Let's dive in. Begin at your local farmer's market. Seek out the freshest, most vibrant greens. Once home, soak them in a sink full of water, swishing around to loosen any grit. Rinse and repeat until the water runs clear. Now for the seasoning. A dash of vinegar for tang, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for heat, and a generous helping of garlic for that irresistible aroma. For the meat lovers, add smoked turkey or ham hocks to infuse a rich, smoky flavor. Stew everything together in a large pot until the greens are tender and the flavors meld together. Serve hot with a side of cornbread, and there you have it. Collard greens, Southern style. Don't forget, the secret to great cooking lies in quality ingredients and patience. So, take your time, enjoy the process, and remember, food tastes better when shared. If you enjoyed this quick guide, subscribe and like our channel for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.